Make sure you lock that door when you come back in. I think you've been leaving it unlocked. No. What? So I can sort out what's going on with this stupid thing.
So other than getting your car, anything else exciting happen?
No. No. Nothing exciting happens here, you should know that. Same shit, different day. Where's everyone? They're late to the party, Whacked. They're late to the party. Fire them all. Right, I'm just going to go over this, go back over every connection and touch them up, do them again.
I am
Anthony!
here!
Well, no one's here yet, Anthony, I think. AT, Whacked. Then I might run the iron over the all those resistor banks just in case there is a bad connection there somewhere. So, do this. Just going to push these down first before I go back over. Make sure they're down and firm. What are you doing, bud? Nudging me. Hmm? So I can't really see anything wrong with them, but just gone over and touched them up. I can't see any bridges on any of them. So unless there's a bridge somewhere I'm not seeing in the back of the pins or something. Yeah, annoying. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch up all these. Just run the iron over these just in case there's an issue. Yeah, they do kind of all look alright, so. Oh, push up.
Oh, would you look at that?
Right,
At Bunnings, we make it easy to bring your kitchen together. We've got the range of modular cabinets that are ready to go, straight off the shelf. Come in store and chat with the kitchen expert. You can choose the colours and profiles you like, and we'll help you bring it all together with the kitchen from Bunnings. Isn't it strange to pay on-road costs for a car that wants to go off-road? The Volkswagen Amarok Style V6. Get all your on-road costs for free. Visit Volkswagen.com.
alright. No, I just had to go pick up Kobe. I said, if you pay attention, McKenna, which you admitted you weren't, you would have known I was coming back to stream. But you failed to pay attention once again, sir. Alright. Alright, so I've just been over the whole lot. Hopefully, whatever was going on is fixed. I've just gone back back over it, Chris. Just finished. So it's now testing time. Certainly not making any sense. I couldn't find any bridges or anything, so I don't think this is going to change anything, but it means I'm going to have to demod it and suss it out a bit more. Well, suss it and demod it and see if it goes. It's going to work, Chris. You watch. Oh, am I missing anything? Nope. Oh, hey. I got no sound though. And it's still stalling there. Oh, someone finally noticed. No music. Morse. So, why is it not liking the flippin'... Man, I'm going to have to plug a drive onto it, aren't I, and just see. Can't even get. Something's going on, I got no idea. It does final menu, yeah. It's come out of a working unit. Yeah, I don't get it. Very odd. And I don't want to have to demod it. You know what I mean? Like, pain in the ass. Yeah, no, it does hate you. So it's not. Oh, unless unless they've been corrupted. I had an issue a while back. These were working. Remember the last one I did? It was missing the file. Something's going on here. They certainly work, Mr. H. So I've got the O1 folder. What's meant to be... is it? What's the one I was critical I need? O1? I've got a game in O1 now. Not the menu. Oh, hang on. Disk CDI, info text, name text. So what the fuck's going on there? GD menu. So the O1, yeah. No, you really? Okay. The O1 folder. Disk CDI, info text, target through. Something's changed. GD menu. Or is this meant to be in there? GD emu. I don't know why things have changed because these were working. So I don't know what's changed or what's going on. I think it's O1, Chris, that goes in, yeah. But is disk CDI is not the menu, is it? No. It's a game. Oh, I've got CD. Oh, I don't know, is it? Something weird ass going on here. It'd be a clone mechanics off AliExpress, mate. What do you expect? Come on. I've had no problem with them though before. Oh, I need a message this dude about his Switch as well. Shit. So, O1, okay, well I've got something weird ass going on here. So that's to version 0.6. So it is I don't know what's going on there, it's something really weird. GDEMU. Let's try that and see what happens. Oh, I'm gonna rinse this guy. Alright, I've got a zip there for that one folder, but it seemed different to what was on the card, so I don't know why the card's been changed though, is what I'm a little baffled about. It shouldn't be. But it doesn't explain why the other one's having trouble booting. And the other one has no sound either. It's really weird. Okay, so something's gone corrupt. So I put them cards. The last one I did, remember, I had a corrupt card, and I was using the 3 different ones I had, and it was giving me. Oh, how do I change that again now? Fuck. Why is it loading the last game I played? All loaded. How do I change that again? How do I get in? Oh, how do I get back to the menu? And how do I change that setting? Why is it? How do I get back to the menu? Oh. Anyone?
I'm Chris. Sometimes I have to poop for a long time.
I can't get back to the menu. It's stuck on this loading, whatever it's doing. Is that loading the GD Emu menu or something, or what? I got fucking no idea. This is annoying me. Let me put Chris on there. Chris's one on there. I just put the one I normally use on there. I have it in a zip folder. Oh, you got a heap of other stuff in yours, so tracks, ISOs and stuff. Do I need that? We'll extract it anyway, see what happens. All it? I don't have that on mine, yeah. Anyway, let's try that and see what happens. I don't know why mine have been corrupted though. They were working, and so I'm stuck on this loading. Oh, is it reading the games? Hang on, get some time. It's reading the games on the card, isn't it? Let me get a drink. people fucking blow me away. Anyway, alright, so I don't know why my cards are going all funky, but I'll have to fix the other one as well, because the other one must be having the same dilemma. But like I say, I've got other issues with this console, I think. I don't think that's going to fix everything. They're Samsung SD cards. I've got no sound there, which I find odd. That's booting quicker. Why have I got no sound? And it's just doing, okay, fuck, I don't know what's going on. Unless there's an issue with the GDM, yeah. They're only 256 gig cards, I think. So it's doing this. What I should do while I've got the other one out is fix this other card, because this other card's gone fucking rank as well. I don't understand why. Anyway. And I wonder if that card's now been corrupted, who knows. So anyway, I'm going to find out is pull out another GDM, aren't I? Out of another unit and see if that fucking works and can confirm that one's fucked. Yeah, for some reason the O1 folder on these has been changed for some fucking reason. I don't know why. So the GDM is definitely not loading there. It's just frozen up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull it out and see what's going on. So I've just fixed that card as well. So let's now try that card back in the other one. And see if it's gone corrupt again. And I've got no sound on the one I'm working on. Whereas this one's got sound. Okay, so it's not corrupting the cards. Alright, cool. Definitely something weird going on there. Right, and I've already modded the mainboard H. Pay attention, dude. I've already modded it, dude. Don't come in here and push your weight around, buddy, without fucking knowing what's going on. Alright, so what I'm going to do, which I don't really want to fucking do, but I'm going to have to do it, aren't I? I don't really have an option. love how H comes in here and just thinks, fucking, I don't know what I'm doing. Fuck, dude. Go back to your blowing soldering irons up. Come on. Come on. Well, I don't know if that was... what was I just thinking then? That slow loading was... I don't know why didn't seem to be a store on the games list or something, maybe? Unless that's got a loose connection somewhere or something, maybe. So I've still got no sound. And it's not going to boot. So there's something going on with the board. By the looks of it, most likely. So the board's... There's something going on with the board. Now this is working before I put the DVD mod, the HDMI mod on it. So I'm going to have to fucking demod it, take the flex off and then see what happens. So it's not running that EMU either. Yeah, no, it's the board H. I'll put that in that one. I just took that one out of that one will work. There's an issue with the board somewhere. And all I did was the resistor mod and put the HDMI flex in. So Piers, you reckon? Well, if I put this in here and it boots, then it's definitely something to do with the board, yeah? And I've got sound on this one. The other one I don't have sound. The one that's not working, there's no sound. I don't know why it's taking so long to load this. It's not storing the games list or something. So all that stuff in your O1 folder, I don't have in just the general download for it. I like to set it up. I just have the basic menu. So I'm going to delete the O1 folder there. The DDEMU ini file. And put what I normally have on there. which is just that, yeah. So what's new about this? How to install. Yeah, so all I should need is this. I don't get it. I don't know why that one's taken so long to load. So did I, Chris, yeah. So I did, yeah. That's why my games are back to front, but in alphabetical order wise. So I've just put a fresh GDEMU on that, so it might take a bit to load. But what I'm getting at, so that one works, so I don't know what's going on with this other one. It's very strange. And then I had, I generally have one floating around for sale, so if I need another card, I generally just clone it, you know. And then test them and they work, and then these two have just gone bung for some weird reason. I will in a sec, yeah, I'll just let this load, and then we'll do that. I've tried the original PSU and the Dream PSU, but they both do the same thing. This is the working console though, this one, but we've got plugged in at the moment. This is the one that has no issue, or shouldn't have any issue. Like I could swap out all the banks again just in case you got a bad bank or something. I don't know. It did McKenna, I'm pretty sure it did, yeah. I don't know why this is taking so long with either of the consoles, but you haven't tried it, yeah, with the known working card, yeah. But give me a sec, let's get this out of our way. I don't know why this is taking so long though, that's got me a bit baffled. I might have to set up a card again, start from scratch with the card and see how it fares. I just upset that somewhere. Yeah, I might have to set up another card again, but this one, this one's got sound and it works even though the card's loading slow, which is odd. Anyway, oh, you want to? Well, I've tried it can't be the power supply. We've used the original power supply and Dream PSU, so I highly doubt it's the power supply. So now I've got no picture. Like, what the fuck? You serious? I'm wondering if the front panel or something's dodgy. It's getting a false reading from the fan or something, or the thermal sensor's fucking dodgy, or because something's not stacking up. So now I'm not getting anything. Oh, here we go. It's just slow. Still no sound. And won't load the GD. So it has to be to do with the mod. But I did use the right. There are 1K banks I put in it. I did do the right fucking mod, didn't I? It's just not picking it up, kind of thing. Ah, 100 ohm. What? This guy's got 100 ohm resistors. I've put 1K resistors. I don't recall doing 100 ohm. Is that right? I didn't have 100 ohm banks. I got 0 ohm, 1.5K banks, 1K banks. $33 banks, 82 banks. But I've done it before and I don't have 100 ohm banks though. Oh, fuck's sake. What is just going on with people this afternoon? Like, fuck me. If they're 100 ohm, oh, you know what? I actually oh. Now you say that, I don't have any, but I had, oh, fuck, you got me thinking now. Where the fuck did I get them from? Where the fuck did I get them from? I got no idea, unless they're here and I'm not seeing them. I can put some 82 ohm banks on, which would probably work. So I've got 0 ohm, 1.5k banks, 1k banks, 33 ohm banks, 82 ohm banks, and that's it. So where the fuck did I get the 100 ohm ones from? The original ones were 33 ohm. I got no idea where I got the hundreds from though. If I had them, I've done them because I've done it before. I would have had them here, but I don't. 10, yeah. And I'm going to put some 82 ohms on and see how it goes. That will make sense now then. I did have a guy send one in he wanted me to do, and he sent some with it, unless there was some left out of that I used. I have no idea. They're 82 ohm banks. That needs to go out the back. Caps. 33 ohm banks. Game Gear LED backlight. Oh shit. That shit floating around everywhere. I don't know about. I don't know where I got the hundreds from. I'm lost as to where. Alright, that'll have to be what's going on though. I don't think I've got any 0402 hundreds. I've got 200s, zeros. 82 should be fine. It's only a little bit out. I've got 40, 49, 240 and 300s in 0402s. Oh, and 1.1, 2, 3 and 10k and 82k. Alright, let's go and put the 82s on and see how it goes. It should be okay. Yeah, no, I don't want to do singles. Fuck that. Fuck that, man.
Thanks for the sub.
I might have had some left over from the dude that sent them, I'm guessing. Makina. Where did I get? Why was I thinking 100 on the first? Okay, in the first place though is I've only seen one page that says 100. H says 100. I'm not finding any others yet that says it's actually 100. But for some reason I had a K in mind for whatever fucking weird reason.
Oh shit! Oh, dickhead! It's 110 volt.
But that doesn't also explain why my SD cards are corrupting. That's kind of weird.
Join in-store online today to get more out of every shop at Priceline. Exclusions apply. Hey, it's cool if you see other supermarkets, but you save more.
Yeah, 0603 is an absolute pain in the ass to use. Yeah. That means I'll have to get some though. Hundreds. I'm still convinced I've got some floating around here somewhere. I just don't know where. Whiskey, pop another pill. You're happy, heaven. Oh, hello, Bruno from Barcelona. Welcome, mate. Disregard the horny, pushy people, wacky blokes around here. They're all not normal. Fancy having usernames like that. Where'd that go? Whiskey, pop another pill. He makes you happy. Heaven isn't real. Oh boy.
Ding, ding.
Oh, yeah, 100 ohm, yeah. I don't have 50 ohms, Sam. ADT will be fine, it'll work. I've got fucking thousands of them, Chris. I wouldn't be. Why would I want to keep them? Fuck. Do you want me to send you some? I don't need to keep them. So I'm doing 82s, alright. They're probably more like 90 anyway, and they'll work fucking fine. They'll work fine. That means the volts might be 3.4 rather than 3.3 or something. Who cares? It's not going to kill it. No, I don't. I do have. No, not banks. I don't. Not 200 ohm banks. This will be fun. Whoever worked out the mod has obviously just chosen 100 for whether he's done it scientifically or not, and that's exactly the ohms you need to fucking make it 3.3. I think he's just whacked some hundreds on there and gone, this works. Where's Felix when you need him? Felix could actually work out exactly the ohms we need to bring it down to 3.3. Because Felix is the resistance goat. who's you might find 80's the actual fucking bee's knees of getting it there. Who knows? I don't give a shit. It's gonna work. It's not gonna hurt it, that's for sure. All right. Let's go again.
Game over, man. It's game over. What the fuck are we gonna do now? What are we gonna do?
But I was getting 3.3. Maybe it wasn't enough current through. I was getting 3.3 at the GDEMU. Or 3.2 it was more like, rather than 3.3. Oh, shizzle. Oh, that cheeseburger. Oof. I took the Jimny for its first Macca's fucking date. She did well. He did well. Having to order some of those banks actually rings a bell now too. Thinking I would have been telling myself at some stage, I have to order those banks. And totally forgot. Alright, here we go. Nothing. Oh, so I've lost. You're fucking for real? So now it's stopped displaying. I'll slow boot again. What the fudge? I'm gonna have to take the mod off and see what happens. I've got no idea what it's doing. So it's frozen there. I wonder if it's the front, could it be the front controller board or flex ribbon there causing me grief? Not getting the right readings from the fan or something, or? Because the fan's working. But it doesn't matter what, I put the other GDEMU on it and it's not finding that either, so it's not the GDEMU. Oh shit, I'm pushing down on that and it's working and I got sound. Okay, so what the fuck's going on there then? Oh, now it's frozen again, but, or stalled. I just pushed down on that and it booted with sound. The connector's fucked or something? I got no idea. Yeah. I could plug on a... Well, that one's 5 volt. I get a 3.3 volt drive and sit on it and see what happens. Oh, finding that could be fun. Shit. Shit. Oh, where the fuck's that? I've got no idea. Shit. My DC box. It's probably this one or that one. That one, okay. But it's not going to be this. It's the board seems to have an issue with it. So I just pushed down that on that and it upset it. Wipe his home. So there's something going with the connector or something, maybe? This could get us some magic smoke. See, there's no interaction out of that. Yeah, okay. But they're not getting any interaction out of that drive. It's not even the laser's not moving. It's not even trying to spin a disc. Unless I've knocked something else off on the board, which I don't think I did. There's definitely something fucking odd going on there. Hey, babe. I parked on the road, McKenna. Mine doesn't normally go on the driveway. Hell no. It goes out the road. Cat. I did push down on this though, and it does do weird shit when I push down on it. I mean, I could run the iron over it, but the connections look fine. And maybe this was working before I did anything with the HDMI, so that's what I don't get. It was fully working. We put a disc in it, spun it up, played the game, and now it's playing up. Oh, look. I wonder if that would do it. Look. I wonder if that would cause an issue. I don't know if that's been knocked all along or what. I've got no idea. Don't like the way those banks are sitting, but anyway. So, go over them again. Well, it doesn't look connected. It's like, if it is, it's right on the borderline of just having a little bit of a, you know what I mean? Could be just sitting right on the edge. Sold them sideways. Don't get in that habit. If I bump that on the first round, and I'm only just noticed it now, that was probably be it, hopefully. Alright, well that cools, I'm going to get a drink. Charge the microphone. I'll be back. Okay, let's see how this goes. I think that resistor might have been the issue, I don't know. We're about to find out. Oh. I'm hoping it is anyway, because other than that, I'm kind of scratching my head going, what's gone wrong and what could be wrong. When it was a working console before I did anything. Again, if Mr. Shakira was watching, I'd go, mate, what did you do last? And this thing was working before I did anything. So, and what I did last was do the voltage adjustments and put the HDMI cable in, and it stopped working. So and we just found a resistor that I've obviously knocked or nudged or something, which doesn't look good. Hopefully that's what it is. Yeah, and I fixed it, H. I don't know what you're behind on the stream, mate. straight up and down depending on which way you look at it. Here we go. Not hopeful. Me neither. Fudge. Hello, Lalo. Welcome. Oh, man. Still a delayed boot. Now I'll push on this connector. I had sound before when I pushed on it, which I find very odd. I didn't touch the, I was poking it with a tweezer. Yeah, I pushed it back into position. Something fucking weird's going on here. I'm missing something. Something really goddamn simple. Like something fucking really simple I'm missing.
Shit. Fuck. Ouch, that hurt. Now I can't fucking see it.
Like if I put the drive on there, it doesn't even move. Nothing moves. Laser doesn't, you know, it doesn't even do anything. Oh, now it is. Hey. Okay.
Ah, shit. Fuck.
Kind of, but it's still booting slow. That wasn't doing that before. It was like lifeless. I did Meccania and it worked fine, yeah. So I don't know what's going on. So now we've got a slow boot again. Something really weird ass going on. So the only thing I can think of doing now is actually removing the HDMI mod. Maybe putting 33 amps resistance banks back on. So it's not even booting now.
No! 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 Fuck! Shit!
Yeah, this is working.
Yes, master.
I don't know. That's definitely, I really don't think it's a power supply issue, but we're just going to put this in anyway. Remember, this was working before I did anything, so. The boot's what's got me. This is whatever this is delaying this boot is probably what's causing the issue. The slow boot up. Maybe I should check the BIOS chip for. It's near where I was working on it. Fucking really weird. Well, it did, but I don't know if that's because something else around that area is moving to Makina. I think I need to go back under the scope and have another good look around and see if I can see anything. I don't think it's the BIOS, but yeah. Something's, unless I've got a splash of solder or something somewhere that's causing it, I don't know. Come on. See, it doesn't even want to go to the dash with this on it. I got no idea. Yet with the GDM it'll actually boot to the dash, so. But it was working 100% fine, H. This isn't getting at.
I'm a furry.
Yeah.
Rawr.
Like I say, I can run the iron over the pins. They look solid under the scope. They don't look bad or anything, but we can do that. It's definitely not power supply though. I might run that over the BIOS pins as well, maybe. Like I've been hot, so I put this on with hot air. But like I say, the pins look absolutely fine. Anyway, let's do it.
I'm special.
Oh, please don't be another one of those people. No. Other than that, it's got to be fucking something to do with the HDMI flex, like, see, or and the resistors is the only other thing we've done, which I just don't get it. I honestly don't get it. So my next step will be to remove any fucking mod and put it back to stock and see what happens. So, like, if I leave the HDMI, I don't even need to hook that up while we're testing. I just need to get the fucking thing going again, kind of thing. So it's IPA tray. Right. Still no change. I got no fucking idea. Oh, but slow boot again. The only thing I can do is I'm going to take the flex off and see if it changes anything. Because that's the only other thing I haven't. I've gone over the flex again and shit, but.
I foxed it, bro.
So I don't know. It's not seriously not making sense, but yeah. Oh, bot's broken again. So oh man. Shit. No, it's not. Someone just typed my flux. No, flux isn't the command. Flux is. Alright. I don't fucking get it. It's like, what the fudge? Alright. Let's get nasty and mean with it now. Alright. Oh, I'm going to need, I think they're 33 ohm resistors on those two that I removed. Which I've just pulled a pad from, but anyway, it's all good. I think they're 33s. I remember when I took them off. It might actually even run without them, I don't know. Well, it should run with them because it still runs an AV and HDMI without them, so I'll just try without them first. Alright, so mod demodded. It should only work with a 3.3 volt. Oh, yeah. So technically the 3.3 volt one should work on here. Huh? Oh, what link? What's it say? I've disconnected the DVD though, and it still does the same thing. So, you know, like, I'm just going back to grassroots now, going, okay, we need to go back and fix whatever the fuck's wrong before we can go any further. Alright, so still, so nothing's changed there. It doesn't like an actual ROM at all. What am I missing there, McKenna? I had a quick browse through there. I'm not. What am I missing there? It is a 3.3, Chris. Yeah, yeah. And it worked on what worked on? So this GDM you worked on the other DC, no problem. There's an issue with this board, is what I've come to the conclusion. There's something going on with the board. Now I can put the resistors back to 33 ohms and get the 5 volts back. I think that's the next step. Just divert it back to exactly how it was. You know what I mean? Like, because it's not fucking doing anything. It's like really fucking weird. Yeah, so I'm going to revert it back to the 5 volt now and see what happens. Be back to the before we even started doing anything with it. Really strange, fucking really strange. Fucking super strange. I say unless there's something else that's gone missing or AWOL, which I can't see anything obvious, then I'm kind of at a loss. I'm like, huh? Alright, oh, fucker. But there's no other components around there missing or nudged. This is the one I nudged before. R533. And then over here, you know, I've swapped this out. I've reflowed the BIOS, I've reflowed the... Oh, it's not the BIOS, is it? Whatever that was. I've reflowed the pins on the connector. I don't get it. I honestly don't get it. Alright. Where are we? 33. I'm just going to iron that. Oh, so I'm going to iron these on and. So if this is the same, there's something's been damaged on the board somewhere or something. I've got no fucking idea. Something really weird's the hot air ones killed something, or because as you all know, it was working prior to doing this. So we're basically just going back to a stock standard console. The other bank, Chris, and the connector. Well, actually, yeah. So the connector's here, and then the BIOS or whatever it is, the bank and that is totally directly behind this. It's a slow boot. Like, why would it be slowly booting? Not even modified, you know what I mean? Like, it's a stock console now, kind of thing. Alright, and like I say, I can't see anything. I did nudge that, which I'll put back in position. Can't see anything else missing nearby. And that's the only area I've worked on, other than where I hook up to the these two for the GDEMU, for the HDMI, and this test point. Where are we? Where is it? These two and this one. I see somewhere. I see 6 something. Anyway, it's there somewhere. And then, direct on the back of that is this area here. So I'm pretty sure they're not populated by default. I'm pretty sure nothing's come off there. I would have noticed it. So yeah, I don't know. It's just fucking weird, really weird. And then I've removed the HDMI, which is across here. It should be without these 2 resistors, because it does without them anyway. And across here and across here and on there. So it's demodded any shape or form. So. See if she boots. Well, not if it needs 5 volt to run the ROM, you know. I'm actually wondering if this is fucking touching. It shouldn't be. This should all be under. Like, that's under. There's no way it can touch that. And I've never known it to anyway, but yeah. Where the fudge is the heat sinks? Draco! Long time no see. Say Sam. screws in.
See you later, fucker.
It's almost like the... Oh, that wouldn't display if the thermal sensor or the fan wasn't plugged in, eh? It's almost like one of them's given a false fucking reading or something, or... Alright. So, that's the 3.3. What the... Where did I put the 5 volt one? Over here. Why is that bent? There we go. I'll be like I want you, baby. Need you now. Oh. All right. Alright, if this boots slow, then I have, honestly, I have no fucking idea what is wrong with it. So it hasn't changed, so there's something going on the board. Like, what the fudge? It's not even booting. Should I stick one of those BIOSes on it, Chris? Like, could this be because the BIOS is corrupt or something? Chips failing or... I haven't tickled anything. It's doing exactly the same, Makina. Nothing's changed. It's a stock console now. Yet if I put the GDEMU on, it might actually get to the dash kind of thing. But I will, Chris, but I don't think it's the PSG, mate. That's the power supply. We've been swapping that in and out all afternoon, and it's making no difference whatsoever. You're not convinced it's the BIOS? It's obviously struggling to deal with the ROM, isn't it? Whether it's the GDEMU or the ROM. It should be 5. Oh, it should be 5 volt now. Since reverting the resistors back. So it's, oh, this is the GDM. How will I test the here for 5 volt? You know what I mean? Here somewhere. Where am I going to find 5 volt here? Oh, I see. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, gotcha. It's just not getting to the dash. So the BIOS is what holds all that, isn't it? Yeah, I've got a BIOS chip. I can swap it out. Won't take long. I think. I don't know. Something's not fucking adding up, eh? And he's since doing the voltage mod. I should have actually, you know what I didn't do, which I was going to do, and I went, oh no, I should be right, is actually checked it worked after doing the resistor swap out. You mean for continuity end to end? Oh, well, I've only pulled one end out, and the end I've been pulling out looks fine. Tough enough. Yeah, I haven't noticed anything out of the ordinary, but let's have a look anyway. Yeah, I haven't taken this end out, and that end looks fine, so I don't know. I honestly I don't got no fucking idea. Unless this board's faulty and it's given a false reading with the fan or something, or you know what I mean? I've got no goddamn idea what to even do next, other than try no BIOS chip. Well, I don't know. Like you don't reckon it is, but maybe I should come back to it with some fresh eyes tomorrow. But that's something I've done. Definitely something I've done. Well, in the process of modding it. I'm going to make a drink, let this sit and just see if it does actually get to the dash eventually. Now I can go back out, let me get a drink, go back over the board and check that I haven't got any shorts where I've taken the ribbon off, but fuck. You know what I mean? Something's not right.
You're muted.
So it thinks it's got a disc in there, it doesn't. Okay, it's something to do with that side of the ROM side of it for sure. But what? So is it, have I fried another resistor or something around? Maybe I have to check the resistors around that area where I've been playing with hot air. Because it thinks it's got a disc in it, it hasn't. That's how I'm leaning towards corrupt BIOS, Chris, but it's just finally got to the dashboard, but it's rubbing on the battery. Can I put there to hold that so I don't have to hold it? But it's, man, it's, so without, like, please wait while disk being checked. So it thinks it's got a fucking, it thinks the lid's down, kind of thing. I'm wondering if around the area that I put the hot air on, one of those resistor banks has killed one of the resistors possibly. So we'll check that in the morning. We'll go around that. Because that whole area is to do with the ROM, so, and look at it, it thinks it's actually got a disc in there, it doesn't, so. I would say, yeah, one of the resistors or something. A component around there that's foobarred. See you, Chris, I gotta go too in a sec. Finish this
See you later, fucker!
Gotta go cook dinner. I'm only here another 5-10 minutes. Is there anything that would make sense? So, because I've been playing around there with hot air, that I just happened to kill a component. Because it all seems to be ROM based, the issues it's having. Wish I could leave that on. I'm going to put something there to keep that switch down. See if it actually loads it. It's the only thing that makes sense. You reckon a flat battery though, Chris? Interesting. I've never had that issue, but I've got a battery there I can put in, well, a rechargeable one. That would probably need charging. What a bitch. What a nightmare this one's been. They normally go very smoothly. Not this time around. So I'm guessing it's actually frozen now or jammed up and I can't do anything with it. I'm guessing. Or it's loading extremely slow. Anyway, yeah, so we'll have a look at that in the morning and what's that?
Welcome to the voicemail system. You have one new voicemail. New message. 4:21 p.m.
Hi, Al. My name's Stephen Rand. My number's 0418 Thank you.
Oh, Mackenzie, how many do you see go like this one? They normally go smooth, I guess, but yeah, not this time. So, but it's definitely, the only thing I can pinpoint is it's, oh shit, I'm lucky I haven't zapped myself on that. Definitely something I have done, whether it be I've killed a fucking resistor around those banks or something. I'll have to go and test all the components around where I was spraying hot air, so yeah. Unfortunately, yeah. Which is rather annoying. I don't know why the SD cards are taking so long to goddamn boot though, even in this working unit. So I might actually set up a new one with fresh with the DC SGDEMU card maker thing, and then reload some games on it. But something's cropped, and something's cropped in my. Well, I think it was one of the last ones I was working on. Something's cropped in my SD cards, because the two SD cards having this smoke one and the blue one in there, they both worked. They were put in the cupboard, tested, works, this, that, blah, 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 and pulled the two cards out today, put in another machine, and the cards are all cropped, missing fucking the 01 data in the folder and stuff, and it's like, what the fudge. But anyway. When I put them in the cabinet, they were working, so yeah. And the only thing I do with them in there is actually pull the card out to try another console like I did today. I might pull the card out on occasion and go, oh, try that. It's a working SD, I'll give it a whirl. I generally do, yeah. But I had 3 working in there, that's what I'm getting at. So the 3 I had sitting in there were working consoles with their cards. And in the meantime of me pulling them out, doing something else with them, something's corrupted them, or the whole GDEMU folder 01 was fucking not even, like the shit in it wasn't even meant to be there. It was, yeah, it was missing stuff. And but there's definitely an issue with the ROM side of this thing, because, yeah. Oh, I don't think so, McKenna. No. I think I've actually just got a clone of it on one of my external hard drives, and I just clone it back to the SD card kind of thing. From memory, I'll have to find it. But I haven't done one for a couple of months. Too much goes through my. Too much. Please, well, just being checked. Too much goes through my brain on a daily basis. That something I did 2 months ago, even though I might only do them once every 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 8 months, I totally fucking forget the process again. It's like, oh, fuck, what have I got to do again? Unless I'm doing shit day in and day out. I guess that's because of the amount of different stuff I do. But anyway, I'm out. I'm going. I'll see you tomorrow. I shall return. I'll be back. Hopefully Whacked streams tonight. We can all get on and watch Whacked, because I will. Alright, thanks to everyone. Carl, McKenna, Chris, gone already. Whacked, Chris, Tough Enough.
See you later, fucker!
Draco, Barry, and all the newcomers that probably Taco Tuesday, all the newcomers that are hanging around. H might be still here, Trey. I will be back tomorrow. I'll see you then. Oh, okay, we're watching the cards. So that disc just stopped spinning and it says here, please wait while checking disc, so something's fucking going on. Turn the fucker off. Cool. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.